Now, I am about to split the nation with this next comment, but I don't give a thumb's twinkle, because behind me stands one of the best tractors to ever roll across the clay. The Fiat 11090. Now, I know some of you are there going, oh, the Fiat 11090 is overrated, but just hear me out, because I spent a lot of money on it. And you know, you don't have to keep it if you win it, you can give it away. Give it to your granny or something, she'd probably appreciate it. Right, come on. I want you to understand the lengths we went to on this tractor, so have a look there, go on. The engine was completely taken apart and rebuilt. You could definitely eat your chickpea curry off that. There's been no greasy heads rubbed on that, yet. And the all-important sunroof, to let out the smell of hard work. Pick up Hitch, new set of BKTs, 40k box, and twin beacons to keep you lit up like a badger's nipple. Some of you think that the 11090 can't keep up with the modern tractor. Well, I think that's pure skullduggery, because this is a proven powerhouse, and it's standing out in its speed. And it could be yours for only $9.97. Get over to the website and grab yourself a ticket. 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗲𝗺𝗃𝗄𝗃𝗍𝗄𝗃𝗍𝗃𝗍𝗃𝗍𝗃𝗍𝗃𝗍𝗃𝗍𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃